Yorkville is a very popular place to visit if ever you find yourself in Toronto. On this map, you can see the parameters of Yorkville's neighborhood is quite broad, but for this short video, we will be driving through Yorkville's most popular strips that features the very best in posh shops such as Christian Louboutins and Chanel, chic cafes, five-star hotels, polished bars, and fine dining restaurants. Very much a Beverly Hills Boulevard experience, right here in Toronto. The two popular main streets we will be driving to and from are Yorkville Avenue and Cumberland Avenue. These two streets are parallel to each other and happen to be one-way streets. Yorkville Avenue runs east to west, whereas Cumberland Avenue runs west to east. On tonight's ride, we will be making our way down south on Avenue, past the one-way Yorkville Avenue to turn east onto Cumberland Road, which runs all the way to the very popular Yonge Street. Here, we will head north onto Yonge Street to take us back to Yorkville Avenue, where we will turn west onto Yorkville Avenue, taking us all the way back to where we started onto Avenue Road and head back up north. So come for a quick ride down the avenues. Okay, and stay tuned for bonus footage of the Yorkville and downtown Toronto core surrounding areas.